Hey, I'm Anna, and I'm going to show you how to use the ChatGPT Mac app to quickly develop alt text for images. So I'm in Google Slides. I've got this screenshot on my slide, and I don't have alt text for it yet. So I'm going to press Option Space to bring up the ChatGPT app, and then I'm going to press the plus to take a screenshot. And it takes a screenshot of the whole screen, so I'm going to tell it what I want alt text for. Just for the image in the slide. Now it's a little confused because it mentions the Google Slides presentation, and that's not what I want, but I can just take the part that does describe what I want. Now, it hasn't given the exact text, and I do want it to. Sometimes it summarizes and condenses the text, and if I want the actual so I can just copy and paste that text, which on a quick glance looks correct. And I can add a bit from yeah, I don't need to add a bit from that, so I'm just going to say screenshot of and I know that's the PlayLab logo, the P on the top left, so it missed that. And so I'm gonna try to improve this, and that's pretty important, but it certainly got me a lot farther. I didn't have to retype all the text in that. I could even tell it to integrate that exact text into alt text that describes the image's layout. Okay, here, yeah, screenshot of an app interface, and the app description reads, that's what I want. And I don't want the description of the toolbar. So I'm going to go back, and now I have some better alt text.